So now, so we will try to solve another problem on semicircular plate. Can you see this? Okay. Otherwise I have to lift it here. Okay. A semicircular plate of 60 mm diameter has its straight edge on VP and inclined at 30 degrees to HP, while the surface of the plate is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. Draw the projections of the plate. So now here the given plane surface is a semicircle. The diameter given is a 60 mm, resting on straight edge on VP. Surface is inclined at 45 degrees to VP and straight edge again inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Now first see the surface condition. That is 45 degrees with VP. That means parallel to VP, and the true shape is obtained in front view. Then see the second condition. For circle there will not be any corner condition, only edge condition. Okay, so now I am taking the vertical edge here, and this should be equal to the diameter, and the diameter given here is a 60 mm length. Take the midpoint on this line, that is 30 mm radius. Draw circle, semicircle, not circle, semicircle. Okay, now you have to divide this semicircle into any number of equal parts. So take the center point as reference line, and I am going to divide this semicircle into 6 equal parts. So 180 degree by 6, that means so 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, 150 degrees and 180 degrees. Then join all these points with the center midpoint. So here I can join all these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All thin lines, no thick line allowed. Right, now we mark the points here. I am taking from here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash and G dash. Okay, so now before drawing the top view, you have to draw the XY reference line at convenient distance. Here I am going to draw the XY line, reference line. Right, XY line, reference line. Right, now I have to projecting these points downwards. Projector, and again another projector passing through B and F, another projector passing through C and E, another projector passing through D. Okay, so here also it is given straight edge is on VP means portion within these projectors make thick line. Okay, so now that is top view, imaginary. Now looking from the top, which is visible? A is visible, B is visible, C is visible, D is visible, E not visible, F not visible and G also not visible. Now the surface is inclined at 45 degrees. At anywhere on this XY line, take the point using protractor and inclined line at 45 degrees. Join this line, 45 degrees line with the point like this, thin line. Now you have to transfer the distances here. From the first point is A, so A to B, A to B transfer here. Then similarly A to C, from A to C transfer here. Then A to D transfer here, and E is with C and F is with C. You can mark the notations here: A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 bracket, F1 bracket, and G1 bracket. Okay, now draw the projections upward, vertical projections upward from the points in the top view. So projector, thin projector, thin projector, thin, very thin projectors, like this. Then similarly through D also. Okay, now horizontal projectors from the imaginary, that is first front view. Then horizontal projector from B, from C, from D, then from E, and from F, from F, then from G. Okay, now you have to locate the points here. So here A1 vertical, A dash horizontal, that is A1 dash, A1 dash, B dash horizontal, B1 vertical, that is B1 dash, C1 vertical, C dash horizontal, C1 dash. Similarly D1 vertical, D1 dash horizontal, D dash horizontal, that is D1 dash. Then similarly E1 dash, then F1 dash, G1 dash. Now you have to join all these points with a smooth curve, smooth, not lines, smooth curve. First join the straight edge A and G, A1 and G1. Now see, you have to, with a smooth, first make a thin arc. Now make a thick lines. This should be very smooth curve, not straight lines, not straight lines, smooth curve. Don't join just points, it should be a smooth curve. Okay, like this. And the bottom portion also you can make thick line, right. So now it finishes with the first stage, imaginary stage, assumption, and first stage. Now you have to rotate this front view, that is straight edge, inclined at 30 degrees to HP. 30 degrees to HP means inclination will be in VP. So now take the point anywhere on the XY line using protractor, inclined line at an angle of 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Draw inclined line to certain length, thin line. Now you have to transfer the distances. So here observe here. You have to transfer the distances from the first stage, not from the assumption stage, first stage. So midpoint to A1 dash, midpoint to A1 dash, here midpoint to A1 dash. Similarly G1 also same equal. Then again midpoint, the first one, first line. So that is here again from midpoint to here and here. Then here make it midpoint to this third line. See, and again here midpoint to here and here. So you have marked with the 3 chances. Okay, 3. By using compass for 3 times you have finished. Now through these points you have to draw the vertical projectors, that is 90 degrees vertical projectors. but 90 degrees. Okay, so if you are using drafter, it will be very very easy. When you are using pencil and scale, so you need little attention. All lines should be parallel and like this. Okay, well, vertical lines. Now you have to take this horizontal distances. From A, already it is A. From the second line, take this distance. So from here mark the point. Similarly from there also mark the point, because it is a symmetrical figure, no need to mark all the points. So here again from the second one mark the point, from this side also. Then again midpoint, that is D, again from here, so mark here. So now these are the points. So here it is A2 dash and G2 dash. Now first here it is B2 dash, C2 dash, D2 dash, E2 dash, F2 dash and G2 dash. Now you have to join all these points with a smooth curve. Smooth curve. Draw slowly, no problem, but it should be a smooth curve like this. You should get a uniform smooth curve. Okay, then you can make a thick line. This bottom edge we can make it thick. So now you have rotated the front view and you have transferred the distances. Now from these points on the front view, that is okay, so from here you have to draw the vertical line, vertical projectors downwards from A, from B, from C, in order. Don't be confused, in order you go. Then E2, F2 and G2. Okay, then horizontal projectors from the top view in the first stage. So horizontal projector, and similarly like this, all horizontal projectors. Now it is like a graph only, nothing change. Okay, now you have to mark the points. A1 horizontal, A2 dash, now it is A2. B1 horizontal, B2, sorry, this is A, not this one, this is A2. Here it is B2, then C2, C2, then D horizontal, D vertical, that is D2. Similarly E2, F2 and G2. Okay, now you have to join all these points with a smooth curve. Smooth curve. In drawing, you people should have patience. Here you can see B is little outside and A is little inside. Okay, right, good. So now join this thick line, make it as a thick line. So you people should try this, because all these problems carries 14 marks in the exam, right? Okay, that finishes the problem. So once again let us see the conditions, whether all are satisfied or not. So first condition is straight edge on VP. So top view is touching. Okay. Surface is inclined with VP. True shape is in front view. Correct. And resting on straight edge. So vertical edge on left hand side. So condition satisfied. Then the surface is inclined at 45 degrees. 45 degrees to VP. That means you are getting inclination in HP. Good. Condition correct. So projected. Then again the longest edge is inclined at 30 degrees. 30 degrees to HP means you are getting inclination in VP. You are getting inclination. Good. Line transfer everything. Okay. All the conditions are satisfied. So your problem is perfect.